JAMB has brought out another news, very important breaking news, especially for those of you that wrote JAMB this year. This has to do with your result, whether you pass or you don't pass, increasing your result and all the rest. So I am doing this video immediately I saw the news for you so that you know exactly what is going on. Let me give you the information the way JAMB just passed it to everybody. It was surprising, but it's the reality at the moment. JAMB postpones the release of rescheduled UTME result for expert validation. Candidates who search for the rescheduled UTME will have to wait a bit longer for their results as JAMB has delayed the release originally planned for Wednesday. So on Wednesday, that is 21st, we were expecting that the results will be out for everybody. I know everybody is anxiously waiting for it, but right now the delay is due to a comprehensive review being carried out by Professor Boniface Wog, a renowned expert in educational measurement, who was at JAMB headquarters Thursday, that's yesterday, to validate the integrity of the result before they are released. So basically what JAMB is saying is that this time they don't want to make any mistake. They want to check the results everywhere, back, left, right and center. They want to make sure that there will be no complaint again saying that there was an issue, there was glitch. They want to be sure that what they will bring out is the authentic result that has not been tampered. According to JAMB spokesperson Dr. Fabian Benjamin, no new date. They have not even set any new date to release the result. However, the board has gone ahead to release the results of underage candidates. All underage candidates can now check their results. If you are, maybe those of them that were 16 years and below that wrote JAMB, you can now go ahead. You know, JAMB said before that underage candidates are not going to check their result. But right now, after much pressure from us, we have pressured them to release all your results. So go ahead and check your result. If maybe you or your son or your daughter that were underage wrote the exam. Okay. However, the board has gone ahead to release result of underage candidates, although this cannot be used for admission purposes. Okay. The rescheduled exam, the exam we're waiting for the result was written by 379,997 rescheduled candidates. 379,997 candidates wrote that exam, who experienced technical issues in 157 centers across Lagos and Southeast. When I say Southeast, we mean Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, and Abia states. The exams were written in these places. With a 95% turnout record, not everybody went for the exam. Some people, the exam came impromptu, came too early, and all the rest. JAMB is also preparing a mop-up examination for candidates who missed both the original and rescheduled tests. What do they mean by the mop-up? If you want to rewrite your JAMB, there's an opportunity for you. JAMB is giving out a mop-up exam for those that missed the JAMB exam, both the first one and the second one. So if you there is a video I will attach. There is a video on the screen. Just click on it so that you will know how you can retake the final opportunity JAMB is giving for people to rewrite and retake the JAMB exam. Do you understand? If you have any question, let me know. Tell me your JAMB score. Tell me if you want to rewrite your exam, and tell me your state, your JAMB score, if you want to rewrite, and your state. Go ahead and join. You can see join. Click on join our YouTube channel. Like this video. Click on like this video, and also share this video so that more and more people can also benefit.